Hello and welcome to the weekly Forex play for the week of June 9th, 2013. The US dollar yen and yen pairs continued to trade lower last week, but gave up some of the losses towards the end of the week. Continued discussions over the timing of the Fed's tapering of the asset purchase program continues to play out in the markets. Since the economic data releases were mixed this week, the markets had a bumpy, volatile ride. Both the S&P and the Dow sold off heavily towards the beginning of the week and ended the week rebounding strongly, with the Dow closing at 15,226, with a high of 15,308 and a low of 14,846, and the S&P closing at 1640.7, with a high of 1647.7 and a low of 1597.7. The 10-year Treasury yield also began the week selling off, but rebounded strongly at the close of the week on Friday. With the sell-off in equities, bond yields, and yen pairs at the beginning of the week and strong rebounds across the board at the end of the week, it appears that the markets are trading in sync with one another. Watch the calendar this week with news releases. For market players, we'll certainly be hunting for analysts' best forecasts about the Fed's tapering. For Forex traders, watch the equities and yields for direction in the yen pairs. Moving to the technicals, all 6 yen pairs have traded to the technical target zone defined last week, the fourth wave of the lesser degree. The big movers of the week were the commodity pairs, the Aussie yen, the Canada yen, and the New Zealand yen. The C leg of the zigzag patterns took these crosses down to their targets. This week, we ran the Fibonacci retracement tool on the entire move down on these pairs, all 6 of them, making the assumption that we will now correct the strong impulse moves down. Expect 38.2 to 50% retracements on these pairs for the coming week. And for the commodity pairs, expect less, perhaps 23.6%, if that. It is too early to tell at this juncture if the move down is complete and that we will resume the uptrend, or if this move up will prove corrective and will be followed by another down move. The benchmark pair to watch is the dollar yen, as all the yen pairs will follow its lead. Thank you very much. See you next week.